Here's how to fix Western Union identity verification has been failed. So the first thing that you're going to do is to open your Western Union application, and then afterwards go ahead and click on the send options, and you will see there that you need to verify your identity in 3 simple steps. Now what you need to do is to select an ID that makes sure that your picture has on it, and it is also registered with the same name that you registered to your Western Union. And then make sure that you have allowed the camera access to your Western Union account. Now what you need to do is to make sure that there is no blurry photo detected so that it will not be failed. Now if you have done all this and still have problems, here's how to contact your customer support system.
First, you can go to Google Safari or any browser that you have and search for Western Union Customer Service, and you will be redirected to their hotline or to their website where you can go ahead and have a live chat with that agent. So as you can see, you can go ahead and click on Chat with Us. And once you click on the Chat with Us options, you will be able to see there the AI agent, or you can ask them for a live agent to assist you. You can also go ahead and track the transfer or anything that has been solved to your problem. Next is you can go ahead and give them a call, and a live agent will assist you through phone assist. You can dial this using your phone or any device that you have. Next is you have to make sure that you have turned on your Wi-Fi connection to avoid experiencing this kind of problems.